So in this tutorial we are going to configure the telnet, and then we'll use the telnet to connect to the router from the PC. So without any waste of time, I'm going to begin by configuring the router. So let's go to the router, type no, good. So we configure the router name. Let's configure the interface of the router, assign this IP address to the router. That is done. The interface is up now. On the PC I already configured that. So you have this IP address assigned to the PC, you have the subnet mask, you have the default gateway, which is the IP of the router. Now let's go to task number 3. That will be to configure the router to allow the telnet connection. So let's go back to the router here. Line VTY, transport input telnet, password, I'll use Cisco, and then N. Okay, so now let me ping the PC from here, 192.168.1.2. Good, the PC is reachable. So now let me go to the PC and connect Telnet. Okay, enter the password. Good. Now this would mean that we should enable the password on router. Let me go do that. Config terminal, enable password Cisco. Now if I come now, if I say enable here, it should go Cisco. There you go. So we are able to connect our router. Show IP interface brief. So that's our router. You can see the IP of the router here. Good. So we are done with this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and bye bye for now.